flag was hoisted on 14th of August. Army Jawan risked his life to take it down, and the Pakistani flag, in fact, it can be seen through dramatic drone footage. Okay, let me in fact toss it back to Gaurav Sawant. So Gaurav, take us through the footage that we have obtained perhaps of this Army Jawan taking down the Pakistani flag.
This is the Tral area of South Kashmir. Now what you see in these visuals is a brave Jawan, Suman. He's climbed 50 meters right to the top of this telephone tower, and he's taken down a Pakistani flag. Now Tral, for the benefit of our viewers, is the area where terrorist Burhan Wani hailed from. It's seen as a terrorist stronghold, but this is where the commanding officer of the Rashtriya Rifles battalion that's deployed here, he said, I will not see a Pakistani flag fluttering high. There is immense risk. There could be terrorist hold up in any of these houses.
Okay.
So there was a risk for this Jawan to go up all this way. He's wearing his bulletproof jacket. He is wearing his patka. He goes up all this way. He brings down the Pakistani flag. He puts up the tricolor and he salutes the tricolor because his commanding officer had said, I do not want to see a Pakistani flag in my area. So grave risk to his personal safety, but he still went up. He put up the national flag. He saluted the national flag and stayed there for some time to make a point. And that is where the Rashtriya Rifles and the police were deployed all over this area to ensure that this Jawan stays safe. And that's the message they were sending out.
Thanks for, of course, taking us through that footage. I'm also joined by retired General G.D. Bakshi, who is on the phone line with us. General Bakshi, you know, the fact that despite all the heavy security arrangements, all the, the state has been under curfew, the valley has been under curfew for more than 38 days now. Internet's not working. Despite all these restrictions, if you still have incidents where people try and put out Pakistani flags, what kind of a message does it send out? Okay, looks like we've lost that line with General G.D. Bakshi, but if Shuja ul Haq is still with us from the valley. Shuja, can you take us through, what are the kind of reactions on the ground that you've seen today following the Prime Minister's speech and also Mehbooba Mufti's speech? Is there a perception that the two have been talking in different terms and different tones?